Hello everyone, this is Yamini Sharma. Welcome to Riaz India. Today I am going to discuss with you all about a project which is brought to you by M3M Group, who are big name in the real estate market of Gurgaon. They've come up with a number of commercial projects, residential projects, and this is going to be a project by them which is coming up in golf theme, and the project's name is Golf Hills. Here you are going to get the apartments in luxurious segment with top-notch world-class amenities. If you are looking out for an apartment surrounded by Aravali views and with a touch of nature, then this is going to be an opportunity waiting for you. Come on, watch this video until the end and I'll be getting you all the details about it. Whenever we plan or even think of investing in a property or a project, we well in advance check about the connectivity of that project. If I go on telling you about the connectivity of M3M Golf Hills, this project is surrounded by the views of majestic Aravali Hills. Along with that, it gives you an amazing connectivity to the major landmarks and locations of Gurgaon, be it NH8, be it Dwarka Expressway, SPR or Sona Road. You can reach to all of them in just few minutes from this location. You will reach to IJ Airport from this location in around 35 to 40 minutes. Along with that, if I tell you about schools, then there are multiple options. Schools like DPS, St. Xavier's, Bal Bharti Public School are in closed proximity from this location. Along with that, if I talk about the recreation options that you are going to get from this location, then Karma Lakelands, Cricket Stadium and Classic Golf and Country Club are located in closed proximity from this location. Also, you will get options for jungle safaris and trails nearby to this location. Let me tell you about the details of this project M3M Golf Hills. This project is going to be approx 70 acres of land parcel area, wherein the clubhouse area separately is going to be around 1,25,000 square feet and is equipped with top-notch world-class amenities. If I tell you about the configuration of the apartments, in the phase 2 of this project, there are going to be 5 towers starting from tower number 16 until tower number 21, and these towers are going to be high-rise towers. The apartments are going to be luxurious and niche. In these apartments, you are going to get VRV conditioning, Italian marble finishing, and along with that, if I go on telling you about the configuration of the apartments, these apartments are going to be in 3.5 BHK plus servant area and 4.5 BHK and servant area. The 3.5 BHK apartments are going to be there in two variations: 2260 square feet and 2365 square feet. The 4.5 BHK plus servant area are going to be around 2685 square feet. If I go on telling you about the clubhouse area, it is going to have world-class amenities and it has been designed on golf theme based. They're going to be lush green spaces across the project. The clubhouse area has number of amenities, be it a gymnasium, a rooftop restaurant, multi-cuisine restaurant and multi-purpose hall which can be used for celebrations that you can celebrate there in this multi-purpose hall. You can have a gymnasium experience. Along with that, there's going to be salon, spa. As per your needs, you can use all these amenities. They are going to be indoor and outdoor games for your children, be it basketball court, table tennis court, or maybe cricket pitch, skating ring. You just name it and you will have it here at M3M Golf Hills. Thank you everyone for watching our video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let us know about your queries related to real estate market across Delhi NCR. We will definitely try our best to make new videos for you soon.